Okay, now I'm going to discuss with you skill number 8 from the structure section. In skill 7, I have discussed adverb clauses and adverb connectors which express time and cause. In this skill number 8, we will learn a number of other adverb connectors which express contrast, condition, manner, and place. Let's study the two sentences here. The first sentence is, I will leave at 7 o'clock if I am ready. This sentence has two clauses. The first clause is, I will leave at 7 o'clock. And the second clause is, I am ready. And the connector here is the word if. And it expresses the idea of condition. The second sentence is, although I was late, I managed to catch the train. In this sentence, we have two clauses also. The connector here is although. It expresses the idea of contrast. It comes at the beginning of the sentence. Therefore, we have to use a comma in the middle of the sentence. Okay, in this slide, we have an example that shows how this sentence pattern is tested in the structure section. The sentence here, or the example, must have two clauses. The first clause is, you will get a good grade in the exam, and the second clause is introduced by the connector provided. So after the connector provided, because we have a clause here, and you know that the clause must have a subject and a verb, so the correct option here should include a subject and a verb. As you see here, the option D is the only answer that includes the subject, which is you, and the verb study. Therefore, option D is the correct answer because it has the two elements which are the subject and the verb. In slide 3 here, we have a chart that includes other adverb connectors that express a number of ideas such as condition, contrast, manner, and place. And we have here also example sentences that you have to study here. Slide number 4 includes 10 questions based on what we have just explained, and our job or our task is to determine which is correct and which is incorrect. And if the sentence is incorrect, we have to explain why it is incorrect. The first sentence is correct. The second sentence is incorrect because there is no connector. There should be a connector in this sentence. So we can say that this sentence lacks a connector, or there is a missing connector in this sentence, and therefore the sentence is incorrect. Question number 3 is also, the sentence here is incorrect because there is no verb in the second clause after he or she. After he or she, there must be a verb. We can say that there is no verb, or the sentence lacks a verb. Therefore, the sentence is incorrect. Question number 4. In this sentence, there is nothing wrong, nothing missing. Therefore, the sentence is correct. Question number 5. The sentence here is incorrect because there is a missing subject. I mean, there is no subject after the connector wherever. Therefore, the sentence is incorrect. Question number 6. The sentence here is correct. Question number 7. In this question, the sentence is incorrect because there is no verb in the second clause. Because, as you know, still here is not a verb but an adverb. Therefore, the sentence is incorrect because the sentence lacks a verb. Question number 8. In this sentence, nothing wrong, no element is missing. Therefore, the sentence is correct. Question number 9. In this question, the sentence is correct. And in question 10, the sentence is also correct. That's all about skill number 8. Thank you.